Okay, hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll show you a simple way by which you can just track and blur any faces or object from the video. So for that you will need a simple software which is video editing software called Davinci Resolve. I've been using this software for few years now, and what you need to do is now just open your software first of all and wait for a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, this is the first home page of the video editing software. Now what you can do is you can either just double click over here or simply create a new project, making or giving any name you like I'm going to give a name called first, and just press enter on your keyboard. Now on the first page you will be redirected to this page which is called cut. But since we are going to do track and blurring kind of stuff, so first of all we need to do is insert our video. Go to the media tab over here and just press right mouse button, and you can see different options here. So first of all what you need to do is click on the import media button so that you can insert your video. And now just go to the directory where you have saved your video. I recently downloaded a yoga video. I'm just going to import it for now, and as you can see this is the video, and you can see the details of video on the right hand side of the window. And as you can see this is HD video with 25 frames per second. And now what I have to do is I'll simply go to the media tab over here where I can edit, and I'll just drag to the timeline like this. As you can see this is our video. We can zoom in and zoom out by our scroll on the mouse. Some of the shortcuts that we can use, that is, if you press B on the keyboard you can just trim your videos like this. If you press like this your videos is trimmed, and by pressing again A on your keyboard you can just switch back to the normal cursor of the window. So I'll just move to the video part, that is track and blur. So I'm going to just simply go back by pressing Ctrl and Z in the keyboard. Okay, this is the video. What I will do is I'll just blur the black lady over here wearing black clothes. So for that I have to go to the color page over here and just press this color, and here are a lot of things, but for this video you need to focus in only 2 or 3 pages. That is, first is the shapes, from where you can insert different shapes according to your requirement. Like if you want to blur the number plates which are actually square in shape, so you can directly press in the square button and you can just resize this according to the number plate size. So for this video I'm going to blur out the lady. Of course her face is circular, so what I will do is I'll just press in the circle over here and I'll get a circular shape, and just I'll try to assemble over here on the face of this lady. So I'll just resize it and make a applicable size. As you can see this is the size of the blur that is going to be after a few minutes, I guess. So now you should be at the first frame actually. Now you should simply go to the next page which is called tracker, from where you can just track these throughout the video. Just place it, and here are two options actually, clip and frame. And here are the different buttons. This is the frame tracker and this is the overall video tracker. So this is actually short clip of about 14 seconds. So what I will do is I'll just click in the playing tracker, which is forward tracking. So I'll just click in it and it will start tracking the lady head of the lady, and just wait for a few seconds. It needs to complete the overall timeline over here. Okay, so hand is disturbing now. Okay, here you can see the mistake. So what you have to do is you need to get back to the frame. Okay, it is good over here, so I'll just do a little movement and place it here. And what I have to do is I'll go little forward, and it is starting to get smaller. So what I do is I need to click in frame and I'll just resize it like this, and resize it according to your requirement on that particular frame actually. So Okay, it is done. Now I'll move a little forward. Okay, it has gone down. I'll just adjust it to upward. You should be clicking in for frame button actually for this. If you click on the clip button, then it will just make your video, make your all the timeline just mess. So you need to click in frame. So I think it is good now. As you can see, yeah, it is good. I'll just go a little back and I'll try to rearrange this. Okay, for doing all this you need to be in the frame tab. I'm just saying, repeating this again and again because this is actually a very important part, which I was unknown about, and I know it now actually very well. So I need to go a little forward. Okay, it is tracking good. Okay, I'll just start in this, and you can just adjust in any position when you are in frame page like this. You adjust it, it will be adjusted on the particular frame, not the entire video. So just wait for it and it will start, and now it is going to end up. Okay, it is tracking good. Since there are not a lot of movements, so it is doing a smooth track. If there are a lot of movements, then you need to work out on each frame. Like you should click in the frame button and you should just work out in each frame. But since being a static video, it is easier to do in this. So that's all. Now what I will do is, actually this circle is successfully tracking the head. As you can see, I'm going to just show it by playing. As you can see, it is just tracking the lady head like this. Okay, everything is done, but what left is a blur. So for blur, what you can do is, here are different tabs. As you can see over here on the top right of the page, and you should do is simply click in the open fx, and here are different types of blur on the first column, as you can see. And what you need to do is you need to click in one more option, that is nodes. As you can see, these are the nodes. You can create new nodes by a shortcut called alt and s on your keyboard. Like if you press this, you can add another effect. Like if you want to do multiple blurring, then you need to create a new node over here, and just you should do the same process by just clicking like this and arranging over here. But for now I'm not going to do this, so I'm just going to delete this node. Okay, get back. Okay, it is on. Now what I'll do is I need to add a blurring effect to this keyframe and to this circular box. So what I'll do is I'll just simply drag this Gaussian blur to the node like this, and that's all. And you can just create some keyframe, like I am just opacity of the blur. As you can see, an amount of blur can be controlled from this horizontal and vertical strength, and that's all. And if you increase this, it will be like this, and if you decrease, it's gone. So I'll just show you a quick look of how final video looks. Okay, this is the video. I'm going to play it. As you can see, it's tracking well. That's all. Okay, so you can see it is tracking well actually. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching video. I'll be uploading regular content on video editing using Davinci Resolve on upcoming days. So for then, thank you. Have a great day ahead.